differ from special education.
Good morning, class. Today, we are going to explore another math concept, the perimeter. Perimeter is the
Inclusive education is based on the belief that all students, regardless of their abilities or disabilities, should learn together in the same environment. It promotes the idea of belonging and participation in the general education classroom. In inclusive settings, students with disabilities are integrated into regular classrooms alongside their peers. The focus is on adapting teaching methods and curricula to meet the diverse needs of all students.
In our case, 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 14. So,
Yung palang wala yung gamit,
perimeter
iya
is
sa'yo.
14
Akin na,
meters.
may bulat ko, pinagbalo nito.
Galing na. Grabe.
Grabe naman itong ibang pangano to. Mabang judge na mga maingay pa. Porkit gano'n yung kaklase namin.
Nakakatakot naman itong kaklase ko. Ang taba. Akala mo mahangain ng tao. Hindi ako makatitig ng matagal.
In special education, students can receive individualized education plans that outline specific goals, accommodation, and services tailored to their unique needs. This can include one-on-one instruction, therapy services, and other specialized supports. Both inclusive education and special education prioritize the individual needs of students. They aim to provide support tailored to each learner's unique abilities and challenges. Both models encourage collaboration among educators, specialists, and families to create effective learning environments.